Here we are then, starting off a new week. Day number 6 for the strategy, day number 1 of week 2. And we managed to get a win here. US dollar, Canadian dollar suddenly coming through. It hadn't looked great at the end of Thursday with this push up, but 2 big drops on Friday and today. It's pushed it right down. You can see we took profit back there. Really good stuff. And it's kicked in the trading stop loss as well. So guaranteed at 1937 from there. Obviously, we do want it to push onto that 3 times ATR level, but nice to have something banked. Really good. On the downside, the retracement on this US dollar, Canadian dollar, it's not unique. A lot of these currency pairs pushing the other direction away from their highs. US dollar, Swiss franc, that's one to watch. Again, if we get a few big candles like this, maybe 3 big days there, price would fall significantly and you might see the AD pull up above this level here. That's what we're looking for. No signals to start the week, but at least we've got a 100% record now. 1 trade, 1 win. Hopefully we do get at least one more signal by the end of the week. Slow going as we know, but we also know they are out there and we also know that we're winning with them. The 1. Alright, tomorrow, day number 7, we are back. US dollar, Canadian dollar pushed a bit at the open of the US markets. So we're getting a little bit more out of that trading stop loss now, guaranteed at 44.37 at least. That's a pleasant sight to see. Currently at just over $127 up. Not too expensive on the swap either. Never like to be paying, but it's not too bad, I suppose. Still nothing. We are seeing some of these push to a low though. New Zealand dollar CAD, that's gone back low again. New Zealand dollar Swiss franc heading back down as we wanted, but it took a sharp drop on the AD already. So if it does get to a low, it's going to be a low on both of them. Nothing on that US dollar Swissy we were looking at. And some of these we do have hidden divergence on, for example, the Euro, Japanese yen. You can see from back here compared to the current candle, price making a lower high, but the indicator actually making a higher high. So that is divergence, but it's hidden divergence, which signals trend confirmation, the exact opposite of a reversal. So good to see some divergence, but not the stuff we want. So we'll just try again tomorrow. We know it's going to be at a tortoise's pace, so let's be patient about it. All right. Day number 8, we're back again. Look at how close we came to the stop loss on this US dollar, Canadian dollar trade. Did manage to get some push out of it though, so that's good. New Zealand dollar CAD pushed away from the low. Same for New Zealand dollar Swissy. Yeah, not really getting anywhere. Some nice moves on our US dollar CAD, but these other potential trades really are not getting to the areas that we want. Well, let's try again tomorrow. Day number 9 here, and we're getting more out of this US dollar, Canadian dollar trade. Currently about 190 up. And we're guaranteed now, what is it? Let's have a look, 121. So it is going to be more profits from subtrade B than we got for subtrade A, that's for sure. Still eyeing up the potential for that 3 times take profit, but if it does pull back a bit, we have guaranteed ourselves a nice chunk. Liking it, and we were so close on some of these. Look at this New Zealand dollar CAD, that's almost getting to a low. Well, it is at a low compared to these 5 back here, only yesterday going lower than it. But you can see, maybe just about, you can see on the accumulation distribution indicator, it is down between those peaks. And even that's only a couple periods back, not at least 5. So yeah, no signal there, so close. The closest ones now are the pound Swiss franc and the euro Swiss franc. Look at the drop we saw on the euro Swiss franc. There was no chance for trade recently, but suddenly out of nowhere, here we go. If you get one more day like that, or on the pound Swiss franc as well, it will absolutely drop to a low. I don't know if there'll be the periods actually, because again, those lows are back. The euro Swiss franc, that's got quite a bit of room. You can see compared to the low back here. So that's the one we're eyeing the trade on. Pound Swiss franc, not quite as likely, but good that the potential's there. Euro dollar goes to a low as well. It's clear of the moving average, but again, AD it just about goes lower. So the prime target now, Ryan, euro Swiss franc. That's the most likely trade. It was the interest rate decision today. That's why there's such a plummet. Good chance it might already reverse itself back tomorrow a little bit off the back of that, but we'll wait and see. Tomorrow it is. Day number 10, the end of the week doth come, and US dollar, Canadian dollar pushed back a bit against us. Fortunately, it didn't get to the stop loss. Did look like it might. If we zoom out, you can see only about 10, 11 pips away there. So it's a good thing we're still in that one. Otherwise, still no signals. Left waiting again. New Zealand dollar CAD continues to go to a low, but the AD's with it. Pound Swissy, no real movement there. But the Euro Swissy immediately returned. Big bump in price. We were looking for that low. Would have been some very nice divergence. There's still potential it turns around again. You can see it has been quite bouncy, so potentially the trend is downwards. But we are going to have to wait, sadly so. That is us for the end of the week. Before we go, let's just take a quick look at our trading journal. See how that US dollar CAD trade's looking over there. There's the journal. Obviously not too much to say about it at the moment. Just coming in with the US dollar Canadian trade. But overall up $97.59 after 10 days.
Don't mind if it takes time as long as they do come in green when they come. Didn't get that trade we wanted to get this week, but we will keep at it on Monday. Cool.